It's 22nd, and it's a Friday. That means the end of the trading week. I have decided to make this one as a live trade recap. In order for you guys to benefit. So let us look for our buyers. As you can see, we have now invested this daily bearish fair value gap. And even we have closed above this daily intermediate high. So and yeah, we are respecting this daily bullish fair value gap. We're having this break of market structure. What does it tell you? That the daily is bullish. So now we can go for the 4-hour. As you can see, we are in a clear buy model now. We had the market come and sweep this strong liquidity, this 4-hour low. And from there we have started breaking to the upside, respecting these bullish gaps and inversing all these bearish gaps, and candles with more momentum to the upside. And as you can see now, we have come to this order block. Yeah, so we might come to this 4-hour fair value gap or reverse after testing this order block, but you can clearly see that the 4-hour is literally bullish, and this 4-hour might be my main draw liquidity today. So let's take a look at the 1-hour. Going to the 1-hour, you notice the same stuff. We are clearly coming for this high right here. As you can see on the 1-hour, market broke to the downside, sweeping this 1-hour intermediate low and running into this 1-hour bullish fair value gap very cleanly. And now it has started disrespecting these bearish fair value gaps with all this candle to the upside. So literally this 1-hour high is our draw, or the 4-hour high, whichever high you want to call it. M30. Yep, even the M30 has inversed this gap. Literally we are coming to this fair value gap. I wish market had opened and comes to this M30 fair value gap. Then there would be even more confident in our bias, because for me, in order to buy, I want market first come into sort of a higher time frame PDR, then I see bullish reaction from there in form of a change in market character, and then we can come and take out this liquidity to the upside. So the 5 minute, the 15 minutes also good, as you can see, inversing all. Wow, today looks really great. It's a really obvious day, so we shall see if we shall capitalize on that. Taking a look at the US 500 now, literally the same stuff. Literally we came to this, we took out liquidity in form of a low, which is the swing low, and from there what have we been having? Bullish momentum, and now we're even inversing this daily bearish fair value gap that was supposed to set price lower. Obviously the daily is bullish. So the 4-hour, the same stuff. Irrespective of the fact that we are seated in this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, that does not make me to take shorts because of a 4-hour fair value gap. Yet clearly we are trending to the upside, unless there is more contest within these 4-hour ranges. That's when I can take a short, yeah. But otherwise the 4-hour is bullish, as you can see clearly coming to this 4-hour bullish fair value gap, literally respecting this 4-hour bullish fair value gap with all this momentum to the upside. Taking a look at the 1-hour, the 1-hour is clearly bullish, bullish, constantly making higher highs, higher highs, And now the 1 hour it came into this 1 hour fair value gap, which was London session came. Now this is pre New York, but even Asia came, So we have even taken out London session low and Asia session low, and even in form of this 1 hour, taking out this 1 hour intermediate low, well, which is in form of an Asia low, which whereby we state this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. What do you expect from there? Totally beautiful longs. Nothing with the way we are extended like this. Beautiful longs, guys. If I see a fucking person shorting the market, then that person is a bitch. Sorry about that. So 15 minutes is also bullish, as you can see. So the M30 is also bullish. Let me put both the pairs. We see whether we have divergence in price, Well, we having what we call a bearish SMT, whereby NQ has taken out, whereby US 500 has taken out this high, and whereby NQ has not taken out the high. So we having this SMT. It's better we mark it, but so as I told you, I can find a short if in case there is more contest in the other four fair value gap that I told you about. So the contest can be in form of an SMT like right now. Today is 22nd. So this SMT is at what we call Asia session highs, Yeah, no, these are London session highs, Here we came and manipulated it to these London session highs, whereby US 500 did not manipulate to these to those London session highs, which means we have to first wait for a sell model to get completed, And in which way? After taking our liquidity to the upside, I'll be wanting market to then again go down and take some sort of liquidity before I look for the longs. You get me? If you don't get me, forget about it. No, I can be patient. Could you? No. So, we should complete that sell model. Let me take a look at the S500. We are seeing reactions of this 15-minute intermediate low. Which is good. And this is the one that is higher. Take another 15-minute intermediate low. Could this be the manipulation we want for us to look for our longs? It would have been. Take a look at NQ. Wow. What the fuck? How the fuck did we do that? we are, we have almost reached to our targets that I told you. So we have this SMT now. NQ US 500 to cover that low. So that would be a long on here. But the market just moved like that without pretty much giving me an entry. Let me wait. Let me be patient. If I get a second entry, I will literally take advantage of that. Probably, that's our draw liquidity. La 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 la. Wow. Can I take my buy from there? Yes, I have got that discounted entry maybe, and my stop will go right around here, and my take profit will go right around here for over a 1-to-1. Yeah, but the market is very volatile. Can even put my stop right here and be more conservative. So yeah, like 1.8, if in case this one wins, Yeah, it's a nice trade, by the way. It's a nice trade. It's a nice trade, guys. That SMT is nice. And yeah, this is a nice trade. I'm telling you it's a nice trade because as I was still telling, like I wanted us to complete some sort of a sell model, and I noticed that this might be the sell model. Us taking out this 15-minute intermediate low is enough for us to go bullish, to finish that sell mode I was telling you because of that SMT. So there was some sort of sell model, so yeah, this is literally a good trade, but I under risked, but it's okay, but it's a good trade. And yeah, we shall be done within 14 minutes time cap, I'm sure. Yep, I told you I'm definitely moving my stop to break even. I can even close partials there, and yeah, and we call it a day. Just like that, my take profit has been hit within 14 minutes, and we call it a trading day. Thank you so much.